Jai Hind everyone, my name is Sweetie and today is my 87th day of 90-day challenge of spoken English. You know what, one thing, being a beginner, we think that this skill of spoken English is difficult to learn. Actually, it is impossible to learn because we are deep rooted attached to our native language. Like if I talk about me being a Haryanvi, I love my language. Okay, and I didn't think that I can learn this language. I can learn this skill of spoken English. When I started my this journey of spoken English, at that time, as I told you that I didn't have any environment of spoken English, and I found lots of difficulties. Okay, so I mean, when what I want to tell you that whenever you start your journey, you have to be keep one thing in your mind that this journey is not impossible to learn. Okay, yes, yes, lots of problems, lots of challenges came in your path, but if you think that if you make your mindset strong that you are here to learn and it's just a learning process. Okay, and one thing also, there is no shortcut to learn this language. You have to learn this language by gradually and slowly. Okay, I mean, step by step, follow all these steps, and you can learn this language easily. You know what, one thing, when I started my this journey of spoken English, I was like that it was very difficult for me, and I didn't think that I can speak, because as I told you that i I didn't have any environment, and all the time I speak Haryanvi, and because of this, because of this environment of Haryanvi, I didn't even think to speak. Okay, and when I started my this journey, yes, I find difficulties, and still I'm finding, but it doesn't mean that I thought that okay, it is impossible to do. No, I mean, earlier I thought that, but now as I took this my challenge, and I am on my 87th day, so things will be easy for me, because yes, I one thing I know that, yeah, I know I'm making mistake, but I know that I can improve. If I know if I know my mistakes, then I know how to improve. The main thing is that, and mistakes are the proof, mistakes are the evidence that you are trying. Okay, if suppose what happened if I didn't take this challenge. I mean, yes, and you know what, I really wanted to start. I always tell you that I really wanted to start my this challenge very early, because of my fear, because of that it was impossible. I always thought that it was impossible to do, because I always made video but I could not upload. And now, like, when I thought that okay, why this idea came in my mind to start this challenge, because when I started that application to use, and when I saw that there's lots of people who have low confidence, but the way they perform, it is commendable. And if they can do, then I can also. And you know one thing, if you watch my first day video, I said in that video that if I can do, then anyone can do. And I said this thing on my first day video. At that time I feel very nervous, and I stuck in between. At that time I was saying that thing, and I'm telling you, if I can do, I can take this step, then anyone can take. because because I didn't even think, because the environment I have, still the environment I have, and you know what, lots of taunted I faced when I started my this challenge. I met lots of people, lots of my mutual friends. They are not close to me, and they started saying that okay, uh, you started your spoken English challenge. Oh, and you didn't get much views and subscribers, and but I took this challenge for me. I took this challenge to improve, to get improvement in me. It's nothing like that. I'm here to like, okay, if I do not get views and subscribers, then what? Should I stop this challenge? No, I know that I'm enjoying this process. I know that I'm improving. I know that I can find my mistakes from this challenge. I know that I'm getting lots of changes, lots of positive changes in me. So how can I stop this? No. So that's why I'm saying, whenever you think that you have to begin your journey, so don't think that it is impossible. Yes, it is possible if you think. If you really want to start, then it is possible. It is possible to do in a very easy way. Okay, wait a second, please. Someone is calling. Okay, so uh, what was I'm saying, that yes, if you think that you can take step, then all the problems you can solve in an easy way. And don't think that it is impossible. It is possible if you think. No one can stop you. See what I did. I mean, how can I get the positive positive environment and positive thoughts whenever I go outside, whenever I am with someone. I always gather some positive points from that environment, from that particular person, and I always try to apply it in on me. And what are the things I can learn from that particular environment, from that particular person. So I mean, I always try to get all the positive thoughts and aspects. Why we there is no need to think negative, and there is no need to take a big step for this. You can start your journey with very small steps, as per your comfortable. I mean, yes, of course, you have to need to come out from your comfort zone, but you can in the starting you can take your steps, small steps. And after, whenever you are used to these steps, then you can take big steps. Okay, so this is the thing I wanted to say. And thank you so much. And I completed my 87th day, and only 3 days are left to complete my this challenge. And uh, okay, thank you so much for appreciating me, and stay tuned with me. Thank you. Jai Hind.